at Salem United Methodist Church in Powder Valley is a beautiful cemetery that is well kept, except for the condition of the headstones. And we're going to be working on a project that can clean these up to allow people to truly enjoy walking through here. I'm now back on Thursday, and some of the stones have really cleaned up on their own. What I'm going to do is douse them with water and go at them with a scrub brush, and then I will show you what they look like after that. This one here, I can pretty much read everything. I think it says in memory of Thomas Walter, born 1819, died 1898. This first one is already legible after I scraped off the moss and went at it with a scrub brush. It's Carolina R. Miller, born 1819, died 1920. I'm going to rinse it off with a bucket of water now. Comes out pretty good, at least legible. This is after we scrub down the stones and rinse them off. They look better in person maybe than this video, but you can read them. This one's Carolina K. Miller, 1849 to 1920. This one says Mother Mary Coons, born 1821, died about 1906. This is Father Solomon Miller, born 1821, died 1896. This one is Thomas Miller. I think the top line says in memory in Pennsylvania Dutch. Born 1819, died 1898, and underneath it, it says 2 months and 3 days. And then this little stone, which we need to repair, cleaned up pretty well. It's another Miller. I don't know the birth and death date. If you think you would like to have your loved one's stone brought back to at least a legible state, we'll be providing a link for a suggested donation. Granite is easier than marble in terms of cleaning up, but we appreciate the opportunity to clean up the cemetery. This is a great example of what the D2 monument cleaning solution will do. This stone of Carolina Miller is almost perfectly cleaned at this point. This was a week after I sprayed it. We're giving extra attention to the veterans. Jacob Miller fought in the War of 1812. He died in 1862. This was an unlegible stone, and now you can read it.